We had a really fabulous event yesterday where we unveiled some technology we've been working on. So it's really going to revolutionize the battery management systems that are used in hybrid electric vehicles, and we also used in storage applications as well. But what we showcased yesterday was really combining two technologies, leading technologies that we have, which is our BMS products, so our battery management systems for hybrid electric vehicles. We're on our 4th generation, so we're an industry leader in that marketplace, and we make the most reliable, high accuracy BMS, which is kind of what we showcase here on the top of the car. But it's taking that technology, which we're in our 4th generation and have installed applications throughout the world in every region, and combining that with our extremely reliable wireless mesh network technology. So that technology also, from a wireless mesh network, is the most reliable mesh network that you can get. So it's used in industrial type applications where you have mission critical data that you can't afford to lose packets. So we're combining that with BMS, and why would you want to do that? It's wireless communication in the battery pack. And there's really 4 things that we think it's going to do for that application. It's safer, it's smarter, it's greener, and it's cheaper. Reliability is the most important thing. In the automobile, it's very critical, and obviously reliability is very, very important, especially when you're talking about hybrid electric vehicles and the battery pack in an electric vehicle. It needs to be reliable, obviously. So eliminating connectors and wires, which are the single biggest fault problems you have in a vehicle, is what wireless connectivity in the battery pack can do. I mean, IoT, obviously, that means a lot of things to a lot of people, but it's really connecting the information that you're trying to gather to a bigger or wider system. How do you gather that information, and then how do you use that to help you in your manufacturing process, to help you understand what's going on in your process? So at Linear Technology, we have a lot of solutions that we use in signal conditioning type applications, and also with our wireless mesh networking. So acquiring that information through sensors, and then sending that information to the cloud so people can take action on it. So we're heavily involved in that. We have a lot of applications here, but 2 of those are micro PNP and VICAT. So taking a wireless mesh network at the sensor level and actually providing the information and displaying that so customers have access to that information. And it's all done in the cloud, so it's very simple end solution for the customer. We make high performance or high accuracy analog solutions. And smart is really just having access to that information and data. So it's using the analog technology we have, but then having access to that. So one example of that would be our power system management products, where we have very highly accurate control loops for managing the voltage and current, but then customers want access to that information, because when you're building a system, it allows you to debug the system much faster. It allows you to talk to your power supply. So it's bringing that smart level to power solutions. We're here now, yes, and that's what this concept is proving, that we have 2 technologies that we ship throughout the world in many industrial type applications and in vehicles, and we can combine those today.